Hello, Assalamualaikum. My name is Irene and I am from Group 2. And in this video, we're going to explain to you what have we learned from based on the research. For part 3 best programming languages, it will be presented by me. And the top 3 capabilities in cybersecurity will be presented by Najwa. The 3 major challenges faced by security will be presented by Rashid. And last but not least, notable security awareness will be presented by Mustaq.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Zairi Zafrina and I'm going to present to you the top 3 best programming languages in cybersecurity. And one of it is Python. This is because it's easy to write and extremely powerful and widely used in penetration testing, digital forensic, and also incident response. For example, in network security, we're using SCAPI, which use Python in programming languages to detect if a device is actually on or device is off. Next, I'm going to continue with JavaScript. Next is JavaScript. JavaScript usually mainly created for develop website, especially the front page. However, as time passed by, our developer, our cybersecurity expert understand the codes more, which help them to prevent any kind of cyber attacks such as cross-site scripting, and they defend that by using JavaScript knowledge. That's why JavaScript knowledge is essential for defending web applications. Okay, last but not least is C and C++ languages. It is important in cybersecurity because they give low-level access memory and system resources, and mainly for malware, it is written in these languages since they directly interact with hardware and also operating system. They also use heavily in exploit development and reverse engineering. For example, a simple buffer overflow can happen when unsafe function like SCRC copy more data than expected. Therefore, by understanding C and C++, it helps security experts to actually detect and prevent these vulnerabilities. That's all.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Sunaja Pitubohori. So I will talk about the analysis that I got from 3 top company in cybersecurity. First company is Cisco, and the product is Cisco Secure Firewall. It's a next generation firewall. The function is providing high-speed network defense by inspecting all incoming traffic and stopping advanced threats. The language that they use is C and C++ for wrapping packet inspection, Python and Java for management and automation. It shows that all high-performance cybersecurity requires a hybrid approach like C and C++ for speed, Java and Python for system scalability. Next company is CrowdStrike, and the product is Falcon. It's an AI native platform for endpoint security using EDR and XDR to monitor for suspicious activity. It's built using C++ for high performance and Python for cloud automation. It uses assembly language for low-level kernel hosts to ensure deep system visibility with minimal performance impact. Last company is from Fortinet, and the product is Forte SIEM. It's a security analytic platform that collecting and correlating data from hundreds of sources to detect threats. It's used C++ for high-performance event processing engine and Java for large-scale data ingestion. Python is used for automation and connecting all the different third-party services. Thank you.
Assalamualaikum. My name is Muhammad Amirul Al-Rashid bin Muhammad Nasir. So I will present to you 3 major challenges that faced by cyber security programmers. The first challenge is keeping code updated with new threats. So programmers must constantly rewrite code because hackers always find new attack. So secure code from last year might be vulnerable today. They must keep learning new coding patterns. So now let me tell you about Log4Shell in December 2021. Java library called Log4j had huge security hole. Company like Microsoft, Amazon, their programmers work 24/7 to find and patch all code using this library. The second challenge is writing secure code without slowing down the system. When programmers add security code like encryption and authentication, it uses more processing power. Code becomes slower, user will complain. If security code's too complicated, user will bypass it, then security code become useless. So the real case example for Google HTTPS implementation, the Google programmers had to write TLS encryption code for all the website, made page load slower. So they developed optimized code using TLS 1.3 and Quick Protocol, but still got performance impact. That show programmers must make security code strong and fast. That's very difficult. The third challenge, which is the last challenge, is managing old code and third-party libraries. Many companies run old code from 10 to 20 years ago without modern security. Cannot rewrite everything, it's too expensive. And another issue, programmers use libraries from another developers to speed up work, but each library can have holes. In real case example, SolarWinds attack on December 2020, hackers injected bad code into Orion software library. So the 18,000 programmers at that time used this library thinking it's safe, then malware everywhere. Even US government affected. So the programmers had to check all their code and remove the bad library. Now, they must keep list every library and verify code before using. That show programmers cannot trust third-party libraries. They must verify everything. So that's all from me. Thank you.
Assalamualaikum. My name is Mustaq Ahmad bin Sheikh Faizal Hassan. Today I will be briefly explaining three cybersecurity awareness programs used in school and university. This program helps students and teachers to stay online and understand common cyber threats. Okay, the first program is SICHA K-12 Cybersecurity Awareness Program. School in the United States of America using it during ICT and digital safety lessons. It teaches us strong password, multi-factor authentication, phishing awareness, and safety browsing. This helps students and teachers build a safer online habits. The second program is Google's Be Internet Awesome. It uses a simple lesson and a fun game called Interland to teach students about privacy, online scams, and responsibility digital behavior. Students enjoying the game making it easier for them to remember cyber safety skills. The final program is Cyber Patriot. It is used in many schools and universities where students work in a team to secure virtual system and solve cyber challenges. It gives a hands-on experience to improve teamwork and inspire many students to pursue in cybersecurity career.